Right, the reason that you keep losing marks in your exam is because you can't blimmin' read, mate. You need to know what the command word means in the question so that you actually answered the question and not just start waffling about some random stuff. These are some of the most common command words and what you need to do if you see them in your exam. First command word is describe. If you're asked to describe something, just say what you see. So I could say, Mr. Wells has got some big eye bags. That is describing. If you are asked to explain, on the other hand, you have to go into detail as to why something is happening. So it's kind of like saying what you see and then also saying why. So you could say, Mr. Wells has got big eye bags because he's not gotten enough sleep. Another pretty common one is compare. Now, if you're asked to compare, you want to talk about the similarities and the differences between two things, not just one or the other. So if you only write about similarities, you're going to lose some marks. Building on that, you could be asked to evaluate. Now, if you're asked to evaluate, it's sort of like compare. So you say sort of fors and against, but then you also have to come to a judgment at the end. The mark scheme always says a judgment linked to both arguments for and against. Another one that seems to baffle everyone is suggest. Now, if you ask to suggest, you need to apply your knowledge to a situation and a scenario you may not have come across before. It's not something that would have been in a textbook or in the specification, but it's something that relates to the knowledge that you do need to know. So pretty much just come to an educated guess. I hope that was helpful. And remember, guys, if you would like to access the best 2025 GCSE predicted papers, they are all linked in my bio. Go have a look.